other. There's nothing we keep from each other. I saved your life. This is how you repay me. What do I do? What does he mean? How do I ever unsee what I see? He was my kid, she was my queen. Now it's broken forever and tell her it's you. She knows it's you. What did you say to her? What did you do? I'm next in line, she should be mine. Ha! Are the ancestors laughing at me? What would they say? Father is gone, not before giving me strength to go on. He never trusted you, didn't know you betrayed me so. When you were drowning, I pulled you out. I gave you life when you lived in my death. Now I'm the one drowning, tumbling down, trying to escape what I cannot forget. I have a brother no longer, it's over and done.